Okay, I'm going to show my 77 Yamaha XT500D model, I think, for sale. It's the 77 only color. I think it was only that year. Ginger brown, I think it was called. So nice, very nice shape, original bike. I found it locally, non-running, been sitting for quite a while. Cleaned it up, replaced everything it needed. Certainly not a restoration, but it really didn't need it. It just needed a nice tune-up, cables, all the rubber, tires, all that stuff. All the gauges work great, electrical works great, new battery, 1579 original miles. Still has a sticker on the gas tank, really nice tank. Tank graphics in great shape. It does have one dent on the other side I'll show. You don't notice it much, but there is a dent there. Came out of New Mexico, Bob something, Albuquerque. Originally been here in Colorado for, who knows, quite a while at least. Guy I bought it from had it for something like 5-6 years, and then came out of, he bought it in Colorado as well, so been here a while. Looks like it didn't travel too far from New Mexico. Yeah, everything's in nice shape, great rims, new tires and tubes, full original exhaust in nice shape, original plastics, you know, a few little dings and stuff, but very clean motor, a little bit of case wear there. New oil, new filter, new cables, you know, like I said, did everything, carb rebuild. Has the little TDC gauge right there, kick indicator, awesome. Yeah, everything works well. New fork gaitors, new fork seals. Like I said, pretty much everything rubber was bad on this bike. So, does have a broken turn signal. I have it horribly taped up here right now because it'll hang, and I've been riding the bike, so needs a new turn signal. It's broken at the rubber right there. Seat's in nice shape, it's comfy, but older cover, got some cracks in it you can see, but the foam's in good shape. Still a real comfy seat, just the cover, the vinyl got kind of hard and has cracked. Original oil cap, tank vent. Like I said, all the indicators work well. New 6-volt battery. Yeah, overall just a great bike. Okay, let me fire it up here. Let's see if I can do this holding my phone. I rode it over here, so it is warm. Can be a little cold-blooded. It'll always start right up, but usually takes a few minutes on choke to get to where it wants to idle well. But I suppose that's not unreasonable for an XT. Okay, one sec here. So once it's warm, it's usually a one-kick bike. Set the timing, new points, condenser, all that. Yeah, just a, yeah, I have the idle set kind of low right now. Yeah, just a nice bike. Runs great, really fun to ride. Pulls some nice wheelies. Looks good, so don't think you can beat one of these. I had fun with it. It was a great project, fun to rebuild, fun to put on the road. I've had a blast with it, but I've got 10 or 11 bikes now and never intended to keep this one forever, so gonna put it up for sale. And hope you like it. Right on. See ya.